Welcome back to the ICT in Education Teacher Academy. In our previous video, we discussed why developing a digital pedagogy is essential for today's classroom. Now let's explore how you can build your digital pedagogy effectively and how our academy can support you in this journey. Digital pedagogy isn't something you can develop overnight or through just one workshop. Research shows that creating a robust digital pedagogy requires ongoing learning and practice. That's where the ICT in Education Teacher Academy comes into play. Think of digital pedagogy as a journey, not a destination. It's not something you can achieve with a single professional session. Instead, it requires a continuous exploration of new ideas, strategies, and tools. Our academy offers you access to over 70 workshops and resources. This extensive collection ensures you have a wide array of materials to guide you through every stage of developing your digital pedagogy. Each resource and workshop is designed to build on the last, providing you with the depth and breadth needed to truly integrate digital technologies into your teaching practice. Now let's talk about the importance of grounding your digital aptitude in solid theoretical understandings. Effective digital pedagogy is not just about using technology. It's about understanding how it affects teaching and learning. This understanding comes from the learning theories associated with digital pedagogy. Our academy integrates key educational theories into each of our professional development workshops. By engaging with our content, you will not only learn about various digital tools, but also how these tools align with pedagogical theories. This will deepen your understanding of how digital technologies impact learning processes and help you become a more effective digital pedagogue. So, as you explore our academy resources, remember that you're not just adding new tools to your teaching toolkit. You're also gaining a deeper insight into how to use these tools in ways that enhance and transform learning experiences for your students. To summarize, building a digital pedagogy is an ongoing process that requires more than a one-time workshop. With over 70 resources in our academy, you have a comprehensive pathway to guide you through every step. By grounding your digital practices in solid educational theories, you'll be well on the way to becoming an effective digital pedagogue. In our next session, we'll dive into how the TPAC that you will gain will help you to progress through your learning journey in the membership.